Okay, so hello guys, kumusta? Today is Sunday, the 3rd of January, 2021. And Mipo is here. I haven't been able to make a video for the past few weeks because I was so busy. I had to take care of a lot of things. Yesterday actually, there was a snowstorm. If you can see, the entire street is covered with snow. It's so thick and it's so cold. So, nga ni diri guys pag ting snow na gani. Yeah.
It's like so
Look at here.
Pino.
Grabe ka Pino yung snow. And medyo malambot pa yung snow kasi kahapon, I think kagabi nga lang nag-stop yung talagang snowstorm dito. So pag the next day, after 2 or 3 days, this entire thing is gonna turn to ice. Yun yung mahirap kasi sobrang dulas at sobrang lamig. Imagine, ice sa buong paligid. Mipo, how's your snow experience here?
It's so fun. You know, kay ko ganina. At ako, nagdula ko sa snow. Sa ako first snowstorm.
Yeah. She's enjoying it. Ganyan talaga pag first medyo mag-enjoy ka pa. But after ilang snow na, talagang perwisyo. Especially pag may kotse ka. Kung mangyari sa kotse mo ganito. Ganyan. Pupuno ng snow yan. At yung parking lot mo, kailangan mong mag-shovel ng snow kasi kung hindi, magiging yellow yan. Hindi ka makakalabas. Pupunta kami ngayon kasi may bibilhin lang kami sa grocery store malapit sa amin. And then
Because ang tubig diri guys, mainom ang sagripo. Sa ibutang ang filter. But then, mag-news na sila nga you have to boil your water.
yeah.
And kami kita sa news. So late na and may tummy iso. Tandugunon.
So dito nga pala guys, yung water na galing mismo sa gripo, pwede nang inumin. It's it's clean.
Picture nga na
Bibili ka lang nung pitcher na may filter para mawala yung kakaibang taste. Pero clean naman siya na maiinom. Pero minsan din naglalabas sila ng advisory na kailangan i-boil muna yung water kasi may problem or something, may sila na hindi safe inumin. So mag-advise sila. Hindi namin nakita yung advisory. Ako naman, hindi naman sumasakit yung tiyan ko. But ito si Mipo, sobrang sensitive yung tiyan niya. So konting lang, sasakit agad. Kaya bibili lang kami ng water para lang sa kanya to. Here, come here, babe. Look at here. Sobrang kapal ng snow. I'll talk to you again when we get there. Diyan sa baba, yung Giant Tiger. Diyan kami bibili. See you in a bit. Okay, so we're now at the grocery and ito yung guys, water refilling station dito. So you will have to pay for the water bottle caps first, check out, and then there, and then punta ka dito. So ito yung lagayan namin. So yun, lalagay mo lang yun dyan pag meron ka ng bottle caps. Tapos press mo lang yun. Talk to you again in a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, so hello guys, we're back and I wasn't able to finish the video kasi medyo madilim na kanina. So sa mga pupunta dito sa Canada, yan yung ma-expect nyo during winter season. Kaya kailangan talaga ng snow boots at saka proper clothing para hindi masyadong malamig. If you have questions about anything that I might be able to answer, you can just leave it in the comment section. I will read them all and then make another video to answer those. Thank you so much again, and have a great day. Bye-bye.
You lifted me up, you said